It's my graduation day na today, mga KaBangBang. So let's go na to the hospital!
Ay! Anong ginagawa mo?
Check our heart. Kamusta ng heart natin?
Time check, it's 10:48. Kakalabas ko lang ng banyo.
Hey, there you go. Hello everyone. We are now back home and I got some. Can you see my sunburn? My sunburn. So, we went to the beach and there you go. I got sunburn. Sunburn. Oh, did you see that sunburn? I got sunburn. Can't see it. You can't see it. There, I got sunburn there. Okay, time to sleep. Bye-bye everyone. See you later. Hindi siya kabalo-pano ko siya yung pa-steady. Anyway, here's my lunch now. I'm currently nag-verify diri sa may bugasong. Sa bugasong ako. I'm back in Antique. Yeah. Ang pula siya. Man, ginamok lang ginapay. Ganda mo to kagina along the way. Init. And oxygen level ko nagpalo. Papanaog sa 89. Yung mga KaBangBang, we are now here at the rehab room. Yan, dyan tayo hindi ko alam, exercise. And let's strengthen our lungs. Fight! Yay! We are done with our second day sa rehab. Yeah, we are here at Medical City Iloilo. And that's Esplanade on my right side. Yeah, let's go! For the past few months, few weeks, yung mga vlogs natin, nasa loob lang tayo ng sasakyan. And it's still the same thing. Baka naman sponsor. But for those na drop ko, I'm still eating. Syempre, lang nga naman, di ba? Eating pero sa loob ng sasakyan.
Are you smart?
Yeah.
Are you strong?
Yeah.
Are you brave?
Yeah.
Are you pretty?
Yeah.
Are you kind?
Not really.
Are you kind?
Mga KaBangBang, we are finally down to our last 2 days.
Don't worry mga KaBangBang, I'm the only person here. And if you're wondering bakit 20 pesos, kita niyan dugang. May egg. Haha. So sarap is the sabaw.
We are done and now ready for our graduation! It's my graduation day na today, mga KaBangBang. So let's go na to the hospital! I don't know what to feel. I'm actually happy and excited to graduate. Pero at the same time, medyo nalulungkot kasi huling araw na po natin dito. I really enjoyed my rehab session. Number 1, ang ganda ng PT department. It seems like I'm in a studio, a dance studio. O diba? Imagine. So, you know, kahit difficult na ng mga happenings around, if you get to see good side of everything and enjoy every moment, Parang ang bilis, 3 months na pala akong pabalik-balik ng hospital. And now, naalala ko yung sabi ni Sir Mark when I started. Let's do everything to bring back that confidence in you na makakapaglakad na ako dito sa Esplanade, that's Esplanade. And I'm really looking forward for that day na makakapag kahit one round tayo dito sa Esplanade. So, there. And I'm already here outside the hospital. I'll see you later. I'm done with the inspection. And I will be missing this ramp. Doon ako sa 4th floor. Napapa-approve ng Medicard. And this is the hallway going to our PT department. There, as you could see, malapit nang bumigay yung aking prescription for our rehab. And I am here na at Pulmo Services Cardio-Pulmo, and that's the PT section. Now let's look for Miss Harlene. So, this is the studio. Fun. This is my partner, my treadmill, my ergo. I got some weights over there. This is the goal, mga KaBangBang. I have to walk from this point to that point for 6 minutes na hindi mahihingal. The last time I did this was during, aray ko, sakit akong tuhod. October ang assessment namin. So we will compare my result from today to my October's result there. Thank you! Ay, tamang sa taas. Sorry. Yeah! Ano mo ko di?
Picture na.
Ano ang tanay nung namin ako lugo?
Congratulations.
Aray.
Please start, you are a patient, no? Suffered the clinical nga post-COVID, no? You had COVID, no? I think it was around June, okay? And despite that, you suffered, no, symptoms of a long COVID. So, congratulations.
Thank you so much! Yeah, graduate na ko sa Korea! Thank you! Yay! I'm going home! And of course, kahit sa office man ako na COVID, I always have with me my company! Yes! Pag nagre-rehab ako, eto talaga yung aking outfit. Because this reminds me to do well and finish my journey reading!
Rehabilitation Awards, the Certificate of Accomplishment 2.
KaBangBang, nakaligo na po tayo, and there I am back here at home, and we will try Samjang's chicken. It is flavored janga. Janga means it's smoked. So I just came from the rehab, and there, one thing na isang gusto kong i-share sa inyo as a singer. Wow, as a singer, usually we inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth, definitely, di ba? Pero yung lumalaki yung tiyan natin because we have to expand the diaphragm. Diaphragm natin para mas mahaba yung speaking skills or like singing, no? Mas maraming hangin, mapupuno yung tiyan nyo, yung diaphragm nyo, mas maganda yung paglabas ng boses. That's why, maganda na tayo, maganda pa yung boses natin, pero maganda din talaga yung boses natin. And then, during the rehab, since we have to exercise our lungs, when you exhale, hindi yung tiyan yung malaki. Dapat dito yung lungs. So, from the diaphragm I have right now, lumaki yung tiyan ko, I will push it and transfer it into my lungs. So, nasa lungs na siya yung air, then that's the time we exhale. diba? So, inhale. Exhale. There's also a breathing exercise na tina-transfer siya. So, for example, you inhale sa lungs. You expand your lungs. I mean, transfer it to your diaphragm. Wala tayo, hindi tayo mag-inhale. Then we exhale. Or inhale in the diaphragm. Transfer to the lungs and exhale. Lumalaki yung mata ko. No? So that's one thing, one technique in breathing that I learned during the rehab na hindi pala yung diaphragm yung pinapa-exercise natin ng breathing but the lungs. So dapat when you inhale, umaangat yung mga balikat dahil i-expand natin, tutulungan natin mag-expand yung lungs natin. Then you exhale through the mouth. So once again, let's do it 5 times. Parang nag-blow ka ng candle. Yun yun. It's just that I do whistle. There! So I'm now ready to eat! Smoked chicken, Korean chicken from Sangjang. Sarap! Other flavors, meron silang here, leaflet na binigay. Actually bought 6, pero we left it at the hospital. Siyempre, thankful ako sa mga nurses natin, my Pulmo Nurses, Miss Harlene and Sir Mark, and at the same time, yung mga kasama natin sa rehab, PT, physical therapist, yung mga physical therapist na kasama natin sa PT department. Yeah, and I'm also very thankful to all the physical therapists na kasama ko din every afternoon. So there, what other flavors do they have? They have Ganjang Manuel, which is sweet and garlic. Dakdangjon, I don't know how to pronounce it, it's mild spicy. Yangnyeon, that's spicy. Danban, sweet and salty. Honey butter, sweet and buttery. And there I have Changza, smoky. So there you go, another bite. Bye!
Ayaw kayo nakahapit ka mo sa akong nga channel. Kung bago pa lang ka mo diri, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimdin. Ruby Inspired!